Recently I did a video about my personal game changers that I've experienced through my crochet journey, and there are 3 more that I've been wanting to share, and I realized these are habits that I've gotten into whenever I'm working a square or a rectangle in the round, and I thought this would be a good time to show them to you while I'm working on the sample for another tutorial. If you've watched any of my videos, you're probably familiar with all of these already because I use them all the time. But if not, all 3 of these, especially when used together, really improve the look of your squares and rectangles. The first one is to always start in a corner instead of on the side of your work, because that's going to eliminate any kind of seam when you're working from round to round. Not only that, but just recently, this past year, I'd say, I found that starting only half of the corner to begin with, going all the way around and then completing the other side really makes a difference, and it's a part of the other game changer that I want to show you. So starting in the corner, doing half of the corner is number 1. But along with that, game changer number 2 is replacing chains with stacked singles. You may also hear it referred to as a stacked double crochet. Regardless of the name, you're going to go into your corner or wherever you're starting your row or round, create a single crochet. Technically, this is called a standing single crochet. And then after you've done your single crochet, you're going to do another single crochet into the sidebar of the first one you made, pull the yarn through it, and then again yarn over and pull through 2. And that's a stacked single crochet, and it's replacing your double crochet. What I like so much about this is the fullness of it, and I use it a lot, especially when I'm working in rows and I want a nice straight edge on the sides, or with something like this where I want that corner to look nice and full. And now going back to game changer number 1, completing half of my corner. For this sample here, it's just 2 double crochets, but whatever your pattern calls for, and I'm just doing half of it. Which comes to my final game changer of how I like to complete the round. What I love doing now is replacing the chains with a stitch. For example, here for chain 2, I'm replacing it with a half double crochet. And what that does is it puts me right smack dab into the center of that corner, which is especially great when I'm working continuously with the same color. So for example, let's say I'm continuing on the same side. I would start my next round. I'm just doing these stacked singles for my first double crochet, creating my second one, and then continuing on all the way around. But let's say I like to turn my work after every round. Still in the center, I can turn and then begin my round, and I'm still in the middle of that corner. Which keeps it nice and neat, round after round after round. No jagged line, no obvious seam. Finishing in the center isn't as important when I'm maybe fastening off and starting with a new color, but it is definitely invaluable to me and a game changer when I'm working continuously with the same yarn. So I'm really loving these 3 things right now. I would love to hear some of your game changers. It doesn't have to be about granny squares or rectangles, and I'm sure others would too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.